What's up, MetaVerse Update fam? Get ready for a rapid-fire download of the hottest news in Web3. We've got CZ back in Hong Kong talking big plans. We're also diving into SKALE Labs, dropping some serious funding for SocialFi. Get ready to see what the next generation of viral Web3 social apps looks like. And get this, a brand new domain for the AI era is here, and it's being called like prime digital real estate. We're talking Prompt HLD. Plus, we're diving deep into the potential of AI and biotech with CZ. You don't want to miss this. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss an update. CZ is back and breaking down the future of Web3 in Hong Kong. This is huge news. Zhao Changpeng, or CZ, is making waves again, this time from Hong Kong. He's been traveling extensively, exploring new passions like aerial surfing, and is laser-focused on the future of RWA, compliance, and even diving into biotechnology. His recent appearance at the BNB chain's 5th anniversary event in Hong Kong has everyone buzzing. CZ shared his optimistic take on Hong Kong's supportive stance towards Web3 innovation, highlighting its potential as a gateway for mainland China's entry into the digital currency and Web3 space. He believes this could attract a massive influx of talent. He also touched upon his shift in focus from meme coins, which he found fun but fleeting, to the immense potential of real-world assets, RWA. He detailed the complexities of tokenizing traditional assets like financial instruments and commodities, emphasizing the critical role of compliance and the challenges in liquidity and redemption. Collaborating with institutions like BlackRock has provided him with first-hand insights into these hurdles. Beyond finance, CZ revealed his growing interest in AI and biotechnology, hinting at potential investments in these burgeoning fields. He also shared his newfound zest for life, enjoying activities like aerial surfing and skiing after a period of confinement, and how his travel schedule is now dedicated to advising global officials on Web3 regulation and digital currency management. His social media activity, he admits, is as dynamic as his schedule, posting more during events and less when immersed in work. When asked about his aerial surfing escapades, CZ described the exhilaration and humorously admitted to drinking a lot of seawater. He also elaborated on the data gap in RWA price tracking, seeing significant opportunities for platforms like RootData to build robust data infrastructure. He explained how on-chain price transparency could foster trading and liquidity, creating a positive feedback loop. CZ also addressed the challenges publicly listed companies face in issuing stock tokens, primarily due to compliance regulations, and expressed his vision for a future where these tokens are globally tradable, contingent on regulatory evolution. Lastly, he weighed in on the DeSci field, acknowledging the temporal mismatch between research timelines and Web3's short-term focus, but recognizing the potential for substantial returns if groundbreaking research receives adequate, albeit small, funding. Community reactions have been overwhelmingly positive, with many seeing CZ's return and his focus on RWA and compliance as a sign of maturity for the Web3 space. Analysts are particularly interested in his insights into AI and biotech, viewing them as potential next frontiers for significant investment. Don't go anywhere, because next up, we're exploring how SKALE Labs is fueling the next wave of social media innovation. SKALE Labs ignites SocialFi revolution with new incubator program. Get ready for the future of social networking. SKALE Labs, the powerhouse behind the gas-free SKALE blockchain, has just launched the SKALE SocialFi Incubator, aiming to fund and accelerate the creation of the next generation of viral Web3 social applications. While Web2 platforms dominate, they often fall short on user ownership, transparent economics, and genuine empowerment. Web3 promises a better way, but a killer app that rivals the scale of giants like Facebook or TikTok is still missing. This is where the SKALE SocialFi Incubator steps in. CEO Jack O'Halloran emphasizes that Web3 social needs infrastructure that can handle massive scale without sacrificing user experience. SKALE's zero gas fees and lightning-fast finality are designed to remove the friction that has held back blockchain-based social apps. With SKALE already a top player in transaction volume and active wallets, it's perfectly positioned to support this boom. The incubator is seeking 1-2 promising teams with a proven track record, ready to commit full-time to building groundbreaking social platforms. Selected teams will receive crucial pre-seed funding, mentorship from SKALE's experts, direct access to venture capital, and flexible support structures. This initiative is part of SKALE's larger mission to eliminate technical and economic barriers, driving mass adoption of Web3 technologies. The Web3 community is buzzing with excitement, seeing this as a significant step towards realizing the full potential of decentralized social networks. Developers are encouraged to apply, sharing their vision for building the next big thing in SocialFi. Stick around, because after this, we're talking about securing your digital future with a domain that's being called the prime real estate of the AI era. Own your AI future. The prompt HLD is the new digital frontier. Remember the calm gold rush? Or snagging those coveted social media handles? Well, get ready for the next big thing in digital ownership. The prompt HLD. This is the world's first Web3 high-level domain designed specifically for the AI generation, and experts are calling it the prime real estate of the online world. Prompts are the very essence of artificial intelligence, the commands that bring tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude to life. Every piece of AI-generated content, from code to art, starts with a prompt. Owning a prompt domain means planting your flag at the foundation of an AI-driven future. Unlike Web 2, where you essentially rented your online space, Web 3, and specifically prompt HLDs, offer true, permanent, censorship-resistant ownership. It's your decentralized identity, brand, and asset, entirely under your control. The scarcity is real. Only one person can own each unique prompt domain, making it a highly valuable digital asset. Think of it like owning prime land in a booming city. You can build on it, brand it, or simply hold it for future appreciation. This isn't just about a trendy new domain. It's about branding fundamentals and future-proofing your digital presence in an increasingly AI-centric world. History shows that early movers in digital revolutions reap the greatest rewards. Early adopters and tech enthusiasts are already rushing to secure their prompt domains, recognizing this as a pivotal moment in the evolution of the internet. The consensus is that this is more than just a domain. It's an investment in the future of digital identity and AI interaction. But wait, there's more. We're not done exploring the exciting frontiers of Web3. Up next, we're diving into the innovative strategies of a Japanese financial giant and what it means for the crypto landscape. SBI Holdings charts a bold course in crypto and digital infrastructure. Japan's financial giant, SBI Holdings, is making serious moves in the crypto space, laying out an ambitious blueprint for digital infrastructure that could reshape the industry. This isn't just about dipping a toe in. SBI is all in, demonstrating a clear commitment to innovation and growth in the digital asset world. SBI Holdings has been strategically positioning itself at the forefront of the digital revolution. Their focus extends beyond simply investing. They are actively building the foundational infrastructure necessary for the widespread adoption of digital assets and blockchain technology. This includes exploring new financial products, enhancing security measures, and integrating cutting-edge technologies to create a seamless and robust digital ecosystem. Their involvement spans various aspects of the crypto landscape, from supporting innovative projects to developing their own technological capabilities. This proactive approach from a major financial institution like SBI Holdings signals a growing mainstream acceptance and integration of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. It suggests a future where traditional finance and the digital asset world are increasingly intertwined, potentially unlocking new opportunities for investors and businesses alike. The market is watching closely, anticipating how SBI's strategic investments and infrastructure development will influence the broader digital economy. Their bold vision is seen as a significant catalyst for further innovation and adoption within Japan and potentially on a global scale. And that wraps up our deep dives for today, but the conversation doesn't stop here. Stick around for a lightning round recap of all the top stories and our full call to action. And that's a wrap on today's MetaVerse update. We covered CZ's return to Hong Kong focusing on RWA and biotech, SKALE Labs launching a SocialFi Incubator to fund new apps, the groundbreaking prompt HLD domain for the AI era, and SBI Holdings' ambitious crypto infrastructure plans. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to MetaVerse Update for all your Web3 news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, drop a comment below telling us what you think, and follow us on all our social channels. We'll see you in the next one.